So welcome friends, today we are going to have this simple beautiful part creation in SolidWorks. It's very simple. I hope you enjoy. So let's start. Choose new part, okay. Front plane, a sketch. Choose center line as the axis of revolution. Okay. Choose line, start from origin up to this one. Okay. You see, do some exercises like this. Okay. Add smart dimension. Give this length 200 millimeter. Give this one side 35. Okay. Select. Try to do any adjustment like this one. Okay. Add smart dimension. Give this one 7.5 millimeter. Add this also 7.5 millimeter. So give this one 15. Give this 15 millimeter, and this also give 15 millimeter. Okay. So give this 20 millimeter. Give this one 30 millimeter. Give this also 30 millimeter. Give this 30 millimeter. Give this length 40 millimeter. So now my sketch is enough redefined. Go to features, evolve about the axis of revolution. Okay. Say okay. So try to add chamfer. Select this one, chamfer of 1. Okay. Say okay. Try to add fillet of 2. Okay. Try to add this one, these two edges, chamfer of 1. Okay. Edit, chamfer of 2. Okay. So try to add this chamfer on this edge of 2. Okay. Look, this is good. So try to make some holes on this part, Go to reference geometry, choose plane, come and select top plane. Okay. 35. Okay. Select plane, a sketch. Select plane normal. Choose circle. Draw circle here. Add smart dimension. Give this one 15 diameter. And from origin up to this one, give 15 distance. From this one up to this, give 15 distance. So my sketch is enough redefined. Try to do some cut, extrude. Okay. Cut, extrude, increase up to 25. Okay. Say okay. You see, let's have some edit up to 30. Okay. Say okay. Look, select plane hide. So you see the hole is now ready. Try to make another hole, to add another hole. Select reference geometry plane. Choose this one, front plane, Okay, select plane sketch, select plane normal, choose circle and try to add the circle. Give small dimension, give this one 15 diameter, so give this length 20, distance millimeter, and give this one 25. Okay, you see, now I have defined sketch. Try to drill a cut extrude. Okay, you see about 25. Okay, say okay. Look, so my holes are ready. Let's try to hide plane. You see, so try to add some appearance. Click this chamfer, add appearance, chamfer 1, add this appearance. Okay, click this one, face, add appearance of this one. Okay, click this, add appearance of this one. Okay, so click this side, add appearance. Okay, click this face, add appearance. Okay, so click this fillet, add appearance on fillet 1. Okay, so let's add appearance on this hole, cut extrude. Okay, say okay, add on chamfer, appearance. Okay, good, select this face, add appearance on this one. Okay, select this face, add some more appearance to make your part creation look good. Okay, say okay, select the face, add appearance, this one. Okay, select this face, add appearance to have your part with beautiful look. Okay, add some more appearance. So select the whole, add appearance, a check, cancel, select the whole, add appearance, extrude. Okay, let's check, select my face here, add appearance on face like this one. Okay, select face, add appearance. Okay, so select chamfer, add appearance on my chamfer of this one. So friends, quite plain. So friends, this is simple design of parts in SolidWorks software. I hope you have enjoyed. So subscribe to our channel to get more. So friends, thank you.